Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to put your video in reverse. Yes, this is a simple yet powerful technique that can add some serious creativities to your video. Reversing a video can be for various reasons, such as creating special effects for your video, fixing mistake, adding to your editing skills. Yes, in today's video I'll be using CapCut to teach you how to put your videos in reverse. Let's dive in. You go to your CapCut app, you click on new project, select the video you want to reverse. This is the video over here. Had you edit it to your liking. Let me play it from beginning to end. It's very short. So this is the original video. So I want to, you can edit it to your liking. If it's normal video, for it to be bright or not, then you go ahead to reverse it. You click on the video, you come down here, you search for reverse. Okay, this is the reverse here. You click on reverse, wait for it to load. If the video is very long, I think it's going to take some time before it's reversed. Then now it has reversed, you play it, you can see it. Then you go ahead to export it, and it has exported. You go to your phone gallery and play it. You can see, very simple to edit. Like, that is why I just love this reversing video, because it's very simple to edit. There's no complication there. Just see the reverse icon, click on it, and it's going to reverse. And that is all. And that is it. Reversing a video is very simple. Putting your video in reverse method is simple, as I've showed you. And will you be using this in your videos, in some of your videos? And if you don't have CapCut, you can still experiment what I taught you in your other editing software. And that will be all for now. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, comment on the video. See you all in my next video. Bye.